Hi, Paige here from Brooklyn Haberdashery, and today I'm here to talk to you about our felt Brigid pouches. So, the Brigid pouches are made here at our studio in Brooklyn, and they come in 3 sizes, small, medium, and large. The small is useful for your notions and tools. The medium can hold small projects or a lot of notions. It also has great crossover appeal as like a toiletry kit or a small clutch. The large is fabulous as much larger projects with additional toolkits, perhaps a book or two. You'll notice all 3, they stand on their own, so you can sit with it on your lap or by your side. It acts as a yarn bowl almost. The felt is a merino wool felt from Germany, and it's super